Classic semifinal game 2. Game 1 was already played earlier today, and the Goats won against the Chupacabras. Unfortunately, we have no video of that game, but it did go down. So the winner of this game will play the Goats in the championship, and this is the Wildcats Lightning.
All right, top of the first inning here, Lightning Wildcats. See Nick's on the mound. Looks like that'll be Sean leading off. Wildcats came away with a 5-1 win over my team, the Clams, yesterday. The pitch. Strike one. Whole day today, so you know those hit by pitches can hurt. Strike 3. Here's the pitch. Just a bit. Oh, the full count walk. Ooh, filthy slider for strike 1. And ball 4. Yep. Strike 1. Painting the corner there. 3-1 count. Absolute shot. Foul. Payoff pitch. Oh, just misses for ball 4. Bases loaded situation here. A grand slam for
Open up, you OPN.
Line drive, got out of here in a hurry. Strike 1. 3-2 pitch. Oh. Dan's taking a beating here. Foul ball. Runs the count to 2-2. And ball 4. There you go, bounces back to 2-1. And hits him. Load him up.
Yes.
Strike 1. Ball 4. That'll end the inning.
You suck when he's focused.
Hits him, that's ball 4. Ball 4. Very quickly, the Lightning have 2 on base.
I haven't hit a strike zone yet.
Down here. Ball 4. Loads him up.
If I walk right in, you're coming in.
Bases loaded situation for Ryan here. Strike 1.
Yeah. You're smart.
Payoff pitch here. Strike 3 on the high fastball. Couldn't quite catch up with it. Good thing, as I witnessed yesterday. Strike 1 on the foul ball.
Get a second.
It's this inning.
Foul.
Foul ball. Strike 3. Sean sets him down for the inning. 2 runs come across. Strike 2. Ball 4. Strike 1. F here.
Ready?
Yeah. Strike 1.
Foul.
A foul ball.
I like that match, Sean. I have another one, but it's the next car.
Ball 4. Foul ball. Strike 3, Nick battles back. Yep. Oh! Strike 3. Strike 1. Strike 3. Foul ball. Strike 3. He takes a pitch right down the middle. All in the inning. All right, bottom of the third here. Strike 1. Ball 4. Got foul ball. Just misses the third base bag. Strike 3, runs the high fastball. Hits the GoPro, but swung on it. Tell Nick wanted that one back. Ball 4. Foul ball. Fights it off. Their last strike here. And strike 3. Sets him down. Wildcat win streak. Lasts one more game.